Welcome to Proof of Investing Episode 1. We will show the difference between investing $100 a month for 10 years in the technology ETF XLK versus spending the same amount on Starbucks.
This is our website, Portfolio Metrics, where we do back testing to give real data. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to enter the symbol XLK. We're going to put the allocation at 100%. We're going to put the start date. That's going to be January 10th, 2016. And the end date is January 10th, 2026. So our benchmark we'll be comparing that to is the SPY, which is the S&P 500. There will be no rebalancing of the portfolio. The first amount we're going to put is $100. And then we're going to put a fixed contribution. And that's going to be $100. And that's going to be every single month. And we will adjust for inflation. So I just took the average inflation of the 10-year period, and it is 3.12. And we will reinvest the dividend. So that is how we will get our calculations. We'll hit submit, and there you see it, folks. $44,774 for investing in XLK and $31,114 for investing in the SPY. That is a 710% return on XLK and a 326% return on SPY, the S&P 500. So then we're going to scroll down here and we're going to check out our annual return. So with XLK, we got 21%. With SPY, we got 14%. So that is an annual return. So then we look at our chart here and we compare the two. So as you can see, we ended with over 44,000 for XLK and over 30,000 for the SPY. So you can see the years at the bottom, and then we're gonna zoom in on the chart, and now you can really see every $100 that went in. You can see the scale climbing up, and then you can see the 44,000 at the top. That's a very nice comparison right there. As you can see, investing in XLK is the way to go. Shout out to technology, y'all.
Let's compare to the bank and see. $100 a month for 10 years into a checking account, no profits. Same amount into a savings account, under $100 in profits. Same amount into a high-yield savings account, over $2,000 in profits. But nothing compares to investing in XLK, over $30,000 in profits.